ಮೌಲ್ಯ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯ ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ದಾರಿ ತೋರಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಬದುಕು ಕಟ್ಟಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಗುಮುಖದ ಜೀವನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಸರ್ವರನ್ನ ಗೆಲ್ಲಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಜನಪ್ರಿಯ ಅಂಕಣಕಾರ ಲೇಖಕ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಗುರುರಾಜ್ ಕರಜಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನ 97ನೇ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನ ಪ್ರಧಾನ ಕಚೇರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನ್ನೆ ನಡೆದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಜಾಯ್ ಆಫ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಎಂಬ ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸ ನೀಡಿದರು. ಪ್ರತಿ ಕೆಲಸವೂ ನಗು ಶುದ್ಧ ಜೀವನ ವಿಧಾನದೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಡೆಸಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಫಲವು ಸಂತೋಷದಾಯಕವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯೊಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಸ್ತಲಾಘವ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಆತ್ಮೀಯತೆಯ ಸ್ಪಂದನೆ ಹೊಂದಿದಾಗ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಉಲ್ಲಾಸಿತವಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಾಪಕ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ಸಿಇಒ ಮಹಾಬಲೇಶ್ವರ ಎಂಎಸ್ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ 1924 ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ 18ರಂದು ಜನ್ಮ ತಾಳಿದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ದೇಶದ ಜನಮಾನಸದ ಕಣ್ಮನಿ ಎನಿಸಿ ನಿರಂತರ ಪ್ರಗತಿ ಪಥದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನಗಳನ್ನು ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಜನಮಾನಸದ ಸೇವೆಗೆ ಸದಾ ಬದ್ಧವಾಗಿದೆ. 97 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಅನುಪಮ ಸೇವೆ ನೀಡಿರುವ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇದೀಗ 98ರ ಹರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾದಾರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ನೆರಡು ವರ್ಷಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಶತಮಾನದ ಸಂಭ್ರಮವನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಕಾಣಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಪಿ ಜಯರಾಮ್ ಭಟ್, ಚೀಫ್ ಬಿಸಿನೆಸ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಗೋಕುಲ್ ದಾಸ್ ಪೈ, ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಎಲ್ ರಾಯ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಹಲವು ಮಂದಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.
Mainly with an intention to enhance the efficiency across all spheres of banking, and this is set to commence its operations very shortly. It gives me immense pleasure to inform you that as a socially responsible, commercially viable and professionally managed bank, we have been actively involved in social activities through our CSR activities in various areas of social importance. Bank had sanctioned for the last 3 years 26.45 crores covering 619 projects across India under our CSR initiatives. I am very glad to inform that the bank has put up barricading and gardening on NH66 from KPT Junction to Mahavira Circle in Mangaluru, covering 3.10 kilometers in coordination with National Highway Authority of India at a cost of 1.10 crore under its CSR initiative. In fact, this is the largest CSR project undertaken by Karnataka Bank ever since this CSR activities has started.
You are studying in the school in Rameshwaram. The teacher was teaching how the bird flies, drawing pictures on the board. After half an hour, the teacher asked, "Did you understand?" Nobody seemed to understand. And teacher said, "Why I am teaching here? Come on the beach." School is on the beach only. And they could see so many birds flying. Can you see the bird? It is pushing the wind backside with the wing and goes forward. Pushes the wind back and goes forward. Children understood, went back home. One fellow was standing there only. "What is your problem, man?" Teacher asked. "Sir, I have a problem, sir. You told me the bird pushes the air back and goes forward. But in plane, sir, the wings do not flutter. Wings are like this only. It is not pushing the air back. But how is it flying, sir? There are people and luggage inside." The honest and good poor teacher said, "I don't know. I don't know. I have not seen an airport. But you should know about planes." And told, "Make an excellent plane and take it on moon. Make an excellent plane and take it on moon." That got etched on this boy's live heart. He decided to know about planes. Planes became an obsession with him. He went to NASA, studied, that missiles, and came back and wrote "Made in India" on every missile made, became a Bharat Ratna and became the president, Dr. Kalam. Kalam used to tell me at least about 10 times, "The seed for my desire to become an aviation scientist was sown by my teacher on the beach of Rameshwaram." On the beach of Rameshwaram.
This is done to bring best-in-class capabilities in all aspects like human resource, IT infrastructure, sales and sanctioning, etc., so as to reconfigure the bank to address the expectations of the newer customers segment, particularly the millennials and digital natives, and to encash exponential growth of opportunities. Now, upon completion of 3 years of our transformation journey, The bank is taking forward these initiatives internally with same zeal and focus.